If you're shooting with the Sony camera and you're using the NP-FZ100 batteries, chances are you always need more and you're trying to get them charged as quickly as possible. I found the solution and it's been a lifesaver on shoots, in the studio, and even on the road. This simple device is a 3-battery charger. It charges them at the same time. And not only is this product a charger, but it also comes with the 3 batteries you need. So you can use the batteries that come with the charger, of course. You can also use the batteries that came with your camera. The OEM Sony batteries will fit here and get charged just the same way. There's also an LCD indicator here that tells you how far along the full charge is. And my absolute favorite, especially on the road, is yes, you can charge it with the wall unit, but there's a USB-C connection here, which means I can plug it into my power bank and charge my batteries in the car, on a boat, on an airplane, anywhere. Compatible with a variety of Sony alpha cameras such as the A7s and the A9s. This is definitely an item that has its place in my camera bag every day.